currently offer two variants of the MBA program. The popular MBA with an option to specialize in finance, marketing, HR or operations, and the unique MBA in business analytics. Business analytics is nothing but data analytics applied on business data to aid in business decision making. Our specialty lies in our curriculum, which is curated by industry experts and delivered by highly qualified academicians and industry practitioners. This curriculum is meticulously designed to develop pie-shaped skill sets among our students. The breadth being delivered by the core courses in the first year and the depth being imparted by means of the electives in the chosen areas of specialization. While we try to develop job-ready, future-ready professionals, we endeavor equally to instill values and discipline among our students to ensure that they end up as responsible citizens of the world at large. Best of luck. Thank you.